Start by lying on top of the Intelliroll with the front of your thighs in each body zone. Use your forearms and shoulders to move your body forward and back, rolling from your pelvis to your knees. If you find an area that is more tender than another, move in very small motions over this area or bend and straighten your knee to perform an active myofascial release. Roll for about 1 to 2 minutes on your top of the thighs. You can also adjust the position of your leg and torso a bit to reach different angles. Then turn the Intelliroll parallel with your torso and place your inner thigh over one of the body zones. Now you'll be rolling on the adductors. Move your body side to side using your forearms to roll from your pelvis to your knee. You can perform small oscillations and an active release here as well. Roll for 1 to 2 minutes and switch to the other leg. You can adjust as necessary, as this can be an awkward position.